Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the time management matrix. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of order and management. It got the following characteristics. Allows yourself to organize activities depending on their priority in a project or even in the day by day the activities that you usually make. The objective of a time organization matrix is to prioritize activities depending on the time it takes to carry it out and in extension of the same. This tool is used in all the stages of a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology because it allows you to organize the day by day and stage by stage in specific activities. Okay, so when we talk about a time management matrix, this resource is very simple but is very helpful and really allows you to organize and prioritize all the activities that you are doing day by day. So the first thing is that this matrix is divided in four parts. The first one is the most important part, is the things that are urgent and important. So the development usually start for this part in the left side up. So it's urgent and important. So are activities that need right now attention. Yeah. So something that could give you a crisis, something that could be problematic, something that is an emergency. So here is something that you need to do right now. If you do it right now, you will have a better possibility to do it better. So when you put something here is because it's extremely important and you need to do it right now. Then we go with the things that are not important but you need to do it eventually. So things that tasks that are not corresponding, for example, um, things that people like to do or sometimes they don't like to do, for example, answer emails. So that is not something that need to do right now. You can take your time but you eventually have to do it. So these things are here, things that eventually you have to do but they are not to do right now. In the right side we got things that need time. So for example, if you have meaning without a purpose, it's something that eventually will waste your time, and sometimes that you maybe say like, no, this is taking too much time, I don't need to do that. Also, checking social media, this is important if you are a community manager, but if you are a regular person that you use your social media to just check out stuff, this is not important. And also activities that are not related to your job or things that are not related with the things that you need to do like right now. So it's extremely important that you keep that in mind. Then we got the things that are not urgent. For example, build relations, plan strategies, or find new opportunities. These things takes a lot of time, and it's something that you eventually have to do. But many times you just, this is not urgent, but eventually you have to do it if you want to keep growing as entrepreneur, as in your project, as in your day by day shorts. So it's very important that you eventually focus on build relations because that will allow you and will give you more opportunities to create something even better. Plan a strategy to grow, to have more engagement. All of that is extremely important. And of course, find new opportunities that help you a lot with all the different components that you will have. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of develop this matrix, you will have clarity regarding the tasks that you do and which are more important, what need most time and what can you do right now, and organize everything. If the matrix has been well developed, will allow you ordering and have clarity with everyone depending the process. So that's something very important. Then key in this process is to be very detailed with the task and classification allowing that is made of them. So that is extremely important that before that you classify the task, you are very sure that the position that you are giving them is the proper one. So take your time, take it easy, analyze it, and always start for this part. This is the most important part and are the things that you need to do right now. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help on your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Also remember that we are the #1 design thinking channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you to all of you. And every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.